C. C for cow. Can you say C? Can you say cow? Cow. Very good. Let's spell it. C-O-W. Cow. Let's do the letter sound. K, 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 K. Very good. Did you do it?